At a time when carbon must be locked, not just reduced, we must rethink how materials of the future are made. Traditional material systems still release carbon into the atmosphere. Today's challenge is not only to cut emissions, but to transform carbon into long-lasting infrastructure solutions. Nextearth is building the Recarbonization materials operating system, the standards, science and certification that enable carbon-locking materials to scale. We define material grades, certify their carbon integrity, and ensure traceability from biomass to finished product, delivering measurable climate impact, not promises. Working with governments, cities, industry and investors, Nextearth makes recarbonization work in the real world, across policy, projects and markets. Carbon-locking materials become the backbone of resilient economies, validated, certified and trusted worldwide. Nextearth, building carbon-positive tomorrow today. By Nextearth, recarbonize smart city.